Congratulations, you survived all of that mathematics and you coded the math and you ended up with these values, which makes you feel good. Now, the only thing is that we didn't see that second square because basically the cat drew the square, called resize, which did all the math, and then quit and was done. So let's move forward a little bit. I want you to make sure you're here with me in the part of the code that says when the green flag is clicked. So it's up at the very top. You were working earlier on the resize square down there, but I want you up here on the when the green flag is clicked. Now, what we could do, he drew it, he changed all the numbers and the sizes, but then he didn't draw it again. Now, what I could do, this is not what I want you to do, but I could then just come in here and tell him to draw the square again. So the cat says when the program starts, it's 300 side length. I drew that square, resized all the numbers, and drew it again. You could do that. But if you'll notice, you're starting to repeat yourself. You're saying, I did this, and then I'm going to do it again. If you're repeating yourself, you're working too hard. So now here's what I want you to do. Do this with me. I want you to go look in the control. In control, which is kind of that weird ugly yellow, you will see a block called repeat. And repeat is strange because it's like a sandwich. Like it's like a top bun and a bottom bun, and you want to put some, sandwich in there. So you want to make sure that you place this just right. So what I want is the draw and the resize to be inside the sandwich. I don't want the set side length in there because if I repeatedly set his side length to be 300, then he'll never shrink. Does that make sense? So you want him to set his side length once, and then let's change this repeat just to do it twice. And basically what it will do is draw the square, make it smaller, come back around, draw it again, make it smaller again. And now you will see that. The cool thing about this is if you felt fancy with one change, you can have some awesome stuff happening. So make sure you use your repeat block from your control and make sure you can get a couple of those squares and make sure all your math is working beautifully.